Welcome to the T3AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Select page for you want to optimize meta. After, click on T3AI. Click on Optimize Meta. Select AI model. Choose AI version. Choose number of results you desire. Check in the box if want with page content. Afterwards, click on Generate AI. Now, advance to the upcoming steps. Select meta title you want. Click here to edit prompt. Enter your desired prompt here. Click on Save Changes. Select desired meta description. Edit meta title here. Edit meta description here. Click on Save and Close. Click on the page to check the results.
Thank you for watching the T3AI series.